Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cannoli chips. First, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour with 2 tablespoons of sugar and a pinch of salt in a bowl. Cut in 4 tablespoons of cold butter until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Then, mix in 1 egg yolk and 1/2 cup of dry white wine to form a firm dough. Knead the dough for about 3 to 5 minutes until smooth, then chill it for at least 30 minutes. This chilling step is crucial for easy rolling. Once your dough is chilled, roll it out on a lightly floured surface to about 1/8 inch thick. You want it thin enough for crispiness, but not so thin it tears easily. Use a knife or pastry wheel to cut the dough into your desired chip shapes, such as 3-inch triangles or squares. Heat about 2 inches of vegetable oil in a heavy skillet to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place a few dough pieces into the hot oil, ensuring not to overcrowd the pan. Fry the cannoli chips for about 1 to 2 minutes per side, or until they are beautifully golden brown and bubbly. Use tongs to flip them halfway through cooking. Once fried, immediately transfer the crispy chips to a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. While still warm, generously dust them with powdered sugar. For an extra layer of flavor, you can also sprinkle a dash of ground cinnamon over the chips. This adds a wonderful aromatic touch. Your homemade cannoli chips are now ready to enjoy. They are fantastic on their own, but truly shine when served with a sweet, creamy cannoli dip. You can easily make a dip with ricotta and mascarpone cheese, sweetened with powdered sugar and vanilla. Garnish your dip with mini chocolate chips or crushed pistachios for an authentic touch. Store any leftover chips in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week to maintain their crispness. And hey, if you're looking for ways to manage your finances, check out the description for a link to a great book and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.